Hello, hello. Here we are, you guys. I am panicking. I feel like I'm running out of time. Like we literally leave in less than 24 hours and I am just starting to pack and like look at my stuff here. This is insane. Okay, so I have my water. I don't mind my mess. I drop stuff on the floor. I have my water. I have my big suitcase. I have my carry-on. I have all of my stuff here. I'm watching my Housewives of New Jersey. I'm going through stuff here. I have my closets falling apart here. Like literally, look at this mess. Everything is falling out of it. It's insane. Anyway, we're going to start packing. Okay, so I have undies packed. And then I have two of my True Kind. I have my True Kind strapless bra. And then I have my True Kind white bra. And I have the True Kind black bra. And then I did bring a wire bra. A bra with a wire. So I have those packed. So I'm bringing 4 bras. And I have like 8 pairs of underwear plus some, I call them my big blooms. They're like more like shapewear. So 10 pairs of underwear, and shapewear. And then I have undies for my other travel stuff. Then I'm bringing this dress, which is absolutely beautiful. It's one of my favorite dresses ever. So I'm bringing this dress. I am bringing this dress. You see me wear it all the time. It's a long dress. Yeah, I'll keep showing you dresses as I go. I'm also bringing this dress here. It's a green off the shoulder dress with like ruffles at the top. I'm bringing that dress. So there's the third one. I'm bringing this blue dress. It's a shorter dress. I'm bringing that one. And then I'm bringing just a plain little black dress. And then the last thing I'm bringing is my purple dress. So I'm bringing 6 dresses. I only have 6 nights, and I'm sure I'll probably double up on a dress, but I may wear one of these dresses home. So, you always overpack. I always overpack, trying to decide. Also, so now I have 3 pajamas. So I have the blue ones, this pink one, and then this like little black one here. So those are pajamas. Okay, so bathing suits. Now I'm bringing this bathing suit. This is the top of it. And this bathing suit here. And you guys have seen me in tons of videos with this bathing suit. I love these bathing suits. I'm just bringing 2, but I do have an extra one just in case. So I'm bringing 3 because you have an extra one just in case, because there's only 6 days of actually being in a pool. But, I think I need like 45 bathing suits. But hey, anyways, it's so hard to go from packing for 2 weeks to 1 week. Also, when I posted that video that said, that thing earlier that said like shop the bras and dresses here, these bathing suits are linked and stuff as well. So if you have any questions about bathing suits, you can get them. They're swim dresses. They're one-piece swim dress. Like, this is thing. And don't mind, my husband is an RCW. He works at a hospital. So he always has gloves. So when I was folding the laundry last night, that fell on the floor. And I just didn't pick it up yet. So that's why there's gloves on the floor. For cover-ups, I'm bringing this little green dress that I love. And then I'm bringing this green one as well. Here, just 1 second. I think it's inside out, but you'll get the gist of it. It's just a little green one with like a little round neck. It's really pretty. I also packed a little black cover-up. So what I do is, by the way, I always put a bathing suit, a dress, and a cover-up in my carry-on just in case anything ever happened. So just a little tip there. Okay, guys, this is super cute. Look what Mary got us. So Mary got us each one of these. It has my initial on it. And it's a little holder here. So 1 second. You take the top off. And you have your toothbrush. And then we have, a thing of toothpaste for each of us to go in it. How cute is that? Good morning. Here's my spot. Here's my back seat. Got it all ready. Here we are. We got everything in the trunk. We got Kelly's trunk. We fit 3 big suitcases, 3 carry-ons, and 3 bags for our travel things, like smaller bags. So here we go. And that's a little cooler there. So we're getting ready on the road. Here comes Kelly. And this is my place for the next 15 hours. God. Look at the room I have, guys. Also, check out the toes. Ooh, look how tan I am. Wee-hee. Look. Look, here we go. We got all the room. Look at this. I got all the room in the world back here. Got my little thing here. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't believe we're going to be driving like crazy. And I'm also super crazy anxious, and my stomach is nauseous. But we're okay. We're getting on the road, and we're gonna feel good. The anxiety will start settling once I get like some breakfast or something into my system. Anyway, hope you're all having a wonderful Saturday. I will check in as we go. Woohoo! Stop, just had to use the bathroom. I'm just showing you what they have. They have coconut cheesecake, chocolate pie, lemon pie, butterscotch pie. They have sandwiches, wraps, bacon, egg, and cheese. They have pizza slices. They have protein bars. Nice. Like giant cookies. Reese peanut butter hot chocolate. Okay guys, I know you can't see very well, but we are entering the world's longest covered bridge. The longest covered bridge in the world. I know it's pretty exciting. I thought it was pretty cool. But yeah, it's the world's longest covered bridge.
There's another bridge over there. It's a railway bridge, isn't it? Bridge.
There, and now you were just on the longest bridge in the world, covered bridge. This is a chicken wrap and garlic fingers. Kelly got a calzone and garlic fingers, and Mary got garlic fingers and a chicken wrap like me. Hello guys, we're at another stop in Quebec, so everything's French. And it is attached to a McDonald's. So we are just getting some ice to go with our pop because we have pop, but it's cold, it's warm, so we're getting ice. Mary's over getting us some glasses of ice, and we are stretching our bodies because oh my gosh. We have about 3 hours left to go, which actually isn't that bad. We're making really good time. And we're going to look for a restaurant to eat at on the way. And yeah, but we're having a good time. And it's actually not that bad. We would definitely do it again if it was worth the deal. Like, we got a really good deal this time, and there's no flights that fly anywhere out of close to where we are. So anyway, I hope you guys are all having a good Saturday. I got the Caesar salad, and I got a blue cheese buffalo burger, chicken burger. Mary got a barbecue burger with smashed potatoes, but they're coming. And Kelly got the barbecue burger with smashed potatoes as well. Okay, guys, so we were upgraded because they didn't have any 2 bedrooms. I mean, 2 rooms with 2 beds. So they upgraded us to a bigger room. So this is the door, and you walk in, and look over this. This is like all this stuff. And then there's like a microwave, a coffee machine, and a fridge. And the bathroom is here. It's just a regular old bathroom. Nothing to see here. Nothing too fancy. But then, look out here. So then you have your nice table. Mary, say hello. Jeez. Hello. Kelly, say hello. Then there's a cot and a king-size bed instead of 2 queen. And the couch apparently pulls out, but we're not going to have to pull that out. But look how nice this room is. And it's friggin' huge. I'll show you like the other way. So this, and then here's but yeah, we just have to turn the lights on. But look at the big room, like it's huge. We said we wish this was the size of our room for a week down south. But the rooms are not that big down there. They're not like this. Anyway, look how big the room is. We're so happy to be here now because we're all tired. Hello, let's try this again. I just did a story and it didn't upload, so let's see. But I just want to say hello. Hope you're all having a good weekend. Our drive wasn't that bad. It started out beautiful and then it rained a lot and like scary rain. We were on the highway and everyone had their 4-ways on, like it was crazy. And we made it in 14 hours though. When we got to Quebec, we gained an hour though, so it's 11:12 right now. And really it's like 12:11 for us because we're an hour. Where I live is an hour behind, so, or ahead, sorry, an hour ahead. So we gained an hour when we hit Quebec. Sorry, I'm exhausted. We're all just tired. And we had a nice supper. Our food was delicious. The Caesar salad was so good. And my buffalo chicken burger was really good as well. So, but not much else to say. We are going to go to bed soon. Okay, it's working. It uploaded. So yeah, so we had a really good day. We stopped a couple times, we stopped a few times to stretch and stuff like that. We had lunch and we went to Pizza Delight. I had that wrap and garlic fingers. And then our supper, like I said, it was really good. So, but yeah, we're having a really nice time. We're just really tired now. And we fly out tomorrow. So we have to get up pretty early in the morning as well. So, but we will get a shuttle to the airport and that, and then I'll take you guys with me. So what I'm trying to think if there's anything else really to tell you guys. I don't think so. I kind of shared, it wasn't like an exciting day, so I kind of shared as much as I could. But I will take you guys with us tomorrow to the airport and all of that fun stuff. We're gonna go, we have some ice. Mary went and got some ice, so we're gonna have some pop, and we are going to cuddle up in bed. Well, not together. Anyways, I'm going to say goodnight and sweet dreams, and I hope you all had a fabulous day. I hope your Sunday's even better, and I will check in the morning. So talk to you guys then. Bye.